this type of data enters into the private network,
This call is now being recorded.
it may be harmful for the system as well. So see, as you can see, like a green dot structure, as we can see, is a secure data which we allow it. But you can see in between some of red colors type of dotted structures, a skull kind of a structure, which is a dangerous traffic. Okay, so firewall, what it does, it blocks all those traffics. So you can see in bottom left, a hacker is trying to get into the network, but firewall, what it does, it will protect, like it will deny the permission for the hacker, like all the packets are denied. So see, firewall is very important for a large, like companies and all, large organization and all. Firewall is very important because server, you can see a server is connected and every system is interconnected. Even if firewall, like a hacker gains access into a single system, what it can do, it can easily access the whole system or like whole network. So firewall is very important in large, when we see like a large organization, large scale structure, firewall is very important. Okay, so like a common example we can see, see this is a, like you can say, in many buildings and all, in IT buildings and all, what we do, they use firewall, like make a firewall. Actually the word firewall came from there only. So let's say there is accident occurred in one part of the building, and because of the firewall, that fire will not spread to the whole building. You can see in the left side, there was an accident, and a fire accident took place on left side of the building. So you can see a black color structure here in this picture. So what it does, it will prevent that fire to spread the whole system, whole building. And so that when it protects the whole system, like whole atmosphere, whole building, the other part can be easily secured, or the people can easily evacuate. So this is exactly what we use in firewall as well, like in the network as well. So network firewall and the structure firewall work in a similar way. So you can see from a public internet, we can see a malicious or indefinite traffic is trying to enter the network. But what the firewall does, it will stop all the unwanted or unnecessary data. So this is exactly how a firewall works. Okay, so it's basically like a system which prevents or protects all the unwanted data in the system, like in the network. So, like you see, firewall rules. When we use firewall and all, so we prepare a set of rule. We make a set of rule. So see, see, these rules are all determined by the admin, the network admin and administrator, or anyone who is handling the network. He defines all the rule. So like you might have experienced this thing, like in a college, or in a college Wi-Fi's and all. Public, you cannot use some public network like Facebook and all. You cannot use YouTube and all. Many things you cannot use. So what the network admin does, he will block all those type of data and all, like IP address protocols. He makes his own set of rules, so that other systems, like they are not accessible to that particular network. So we can see here some kind of the rules which the admin makes is called as access control list. It has big database. So like public, like some network and all, like previous experience and all, they get to know which is genuine network and which is harmful, which is harmful traffic and all. So they make list of that whole thing, and they will make a control list. And protocol they're allowing is TCP and UDP. And we can see first row, we can see a particular IP address is allowed from 80th port. Okay, so, but last second we can see, if a traffic is coming from 25 port, it's not allowed, and particular IP is not allowed. And this thing, everything can be maintained, or can be formulated by network admin. So it's all under the hand of network admin. So he should secure a whole security of the system. So what he does, he makes his own set of rules. So after that, we can see simple example. When a denied IP or a blocked IP is trying to enter the network, it blocks that particular network, and what that network cannot access that particular network system. So if say if I am having the IP address of 40.55.130.66, and if I am trying to enter to that particular uh, private network, so the firewall will not gain me the access for that particular system. So as we saw about DOS attack, DDoS attack, and all, so a network administrator sometimes what will happen is it will put my IP to the blacklist, and whole over if the database is updated, so the network administrator will not let me in that particular system as well, in the network as well. So uh, that's what the IP will be denied. The particular IP will be denied. Divanshi ma'am, will you take the attendance now?
Okay, I'll take that.
Ma'am, somebody is waiting in the waiting room, I guess.
Yeah, I have let everybody in.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Amrutha Kolu. Present. Sheikh Parveen.
Present, ma'am.
Kshitij Parekh.
Present, ma'am.
Prashant Verma. Chaitanya Vaikakulam Narayan.
Present, ma'am.
Koganti Pavan.
Present, ma'am.
Shubham Sen. BB Pradyuman.
Present, ma'am.
Rakam Chandrasekhar.
Present, ma'am.
Pankaj Nandkishore Sharma. Rashmi Sharma.
Present, ma'am.
Manisha Sushma. S Pratyusha. S Srinath.
Yes, ma'am.
Akhila Komana.
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am, you're not audible.
Hello, am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am. Now you're audible.
Okay. Shweta Dhyaneshwar.
Present, ma'am.
H Praveen Kumar. M Devi Prasad.
Present, madam.
Okay, so you can take over.
Ma'am, ma'am, I came late.
The
Prashant
attending.
Verma.
Okay, I've marked you present.
Okay, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am, B.
Ma'am,
Pushpa.
B. Pushpa. Okay, I'll mark
Okay,
you
I'll mark you
present.
present.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, so guys, see the firewall rules, the protocols which you make, which the network admin makes, it he doesn't only make just on based on IP address. So like rules can be based on many things like IP address, domain names. Let's say if a particular domain or a rival companies, so you can block that particular domain from entering into the particular system, and he can make his own protocols, and he can block entry through particular programs or particular ports, or let's say particular keywords. Let's say there is some traffic coming from particular keywords. Let's say it is having 23 or 23.24. If it is having particular keyword, the firewall can block that particular network as well. So then see for example, let's see here everything is same, but what it does, the firewall blocks, prevents, or gives access or denies the permission to the traffic based on the particular port number. So see a port number 23 and 3389 is denied permission from entering into the particular network. Like in this network, the permission is denied from this particular port. So a network admin can make his own set of rules, can make his own set of a port, whatever it is. So based on the security, or what is good for his particular network, he can make his own set of rules. And like there are different type of firewalls. First one is host based firewall. It's a software firewall installed in your computer that protects your computer only. So you might have seen many type of like this scene, you can see, you might have seen in your system like Microsoft Windows firewall it is called. So easily you can go to the control panel, and in security you can see the Windows firewall, and you can enable or disable it. So it has like pre-built set of rules which it prevents or allows the traffic. And sometimes what like some exams you are giving like GRE, TOEFL and all. So that time proctor what he wants to gain access to a system remotely. Okay, or let's say when you're using any, so sometimes what happens, every system has nowadays, every system including Mac, Linux and Windows, every system has this firewall. And another one is, it's a like combination of hardware and software. So see a particular system here, uh, like nodes are having their own firewall, that is their host based firewall, and the whole network has another firewall. So I will tell you why it is important. So this thing also can be done. And we can say there are two types of firewall also when we come talk about network. Like a separate hardware comes, like it's called a stand and gain access to the system, and he increases the attack. Okay, so what happens? The main firewall fails to protect your whole network. Okay, so what it does, it like breaks the particular first firewall and enters into the network. And again, in the router also, it's having its own set of firewall. Okay, so if router also fails to prevent that particular firewall, in case also if it is not working, that means hacker is a genuine, like, uh, is great programmer or it is great hacker, like that. So this is how exactly a firewall works. And if you have any doubts, you can ask. And previous day somebody asked, I think Parik sir asked about firewall, if you're going to program it or not. So if possible, we'll program it coming days. So guys, have you created your AWS account?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Perfect.
sir.
Others?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so next week onwards, we'll start this firewall thing. Sorry, like Kali, you will start using like practical sessions. We'll do. So I want everyone to like compulsory you make your Kali account, AWS account, so that like in EC2 we can install a Kali machine and we can access it anywhere. Okay, so the practical session will go long. So there is no chance that we can repeat that. So make sure that everything is done before that. So once we are done with that, we'll use some tool like Wireshark, and we'll also use StegGuide, and we'll also use StegCracker to try brute force. After that, like we'll try to recover files. We'll use the file recovery methods. We'll analyze registry. There are many things we can do. We will do, and the main focus we'll do on is cyber forensics. So how to protect it. So make sure by that everything is your system is done. Your system is completely like your account is created, and no matter which system you're using, any system is fine. So most of you are having Windows system, no problem. We'll use that. And if you are using VM, that's also fine. But advantage of this is we can use it anywhere by any system, right? So using my phone also, I can access my Kali machine. So this is the use of it. So everyone create your own AWS account, and then we'll go on the practical session of that. Okay, guys, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. So as we like previous day we tried this what we call next fisher or fishing tool. So today I'll give you one more tool. See if you can thing is this tool will capture a webcam of the victim, and all the screenshot or snapshot which it takes from the camera will be saved locally in the Termux. So you can open that. Just try this and let me know if you have any doubts. It's out of the like curriculum. Just try this so that when next week onwards, when we try all the tools, you'll be familiar with it, how everything works, how ngrok works, how Servier.net works, and everything. You can use either Linux machine or as I told, Termux. Anyone is using Linux machine right now?
I'm using Kali Linux.
Okay, just try that if possible. Wait, or else let me try and show it to you. My screen is visible, right?
Yes, sir.
So git clone. It's cloned. So it is Camfish. So I'll go to this particular tool, and then it is camfish.sh. So I'll run this. So again here, Servier.net or ngrok. Let me try Servier.net and you can give any name here, okay, in the festival name. So it is asking wget. So to install wget, you can use pkg install wget. And sometimes in between when it asks yes or no, just type y and enter. The first time when we run this Camfish tool, it will directly download ngrok. Like earlier tool, when we used Nextfisher, it had the built-in ngrok. Okay, so in that particular code, it had ngrok, but here it will download ngrok. So sometimes it will be fast, as you can see now. It took like less than a minute. Sometimes it's take more than like a long time. So guys, is my screen visible clearly? Anyone can reply.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, see this link is created. Okay, so I'll send this link to anyone. Anyone can access it. But for now, I will try myself. So I'll paste this in the browser. See, it will ask my name as well as it will now ask. You can give anything. The whole everything is automated. So it will ask for the camera. This is the thing. This network will ask for the camera. If your victim or whomsoever, if you're sending, if he blocks it, the images will not be captured. For now, I'll giving allow, and See, now what it does, it will capture all the images. Okay, so see, the IP address is this thing, and the thing is, you see cam file received. That means it has captured the snapshot of mine, and each interval, like 10 second to 15 second, it will capture each file and save it is in the terminal. So now we will cancel it and see ls. See here .png, three files you can see here is the captured image captured. So you can open it and see. You can just try it yourself, and you can see your own selfie or your the picture access from your camera will be saved here. And if you're making your own tool, let's say this tool I got it from GitHub. Okay, so this is the tool, this is the code which I've got, and here is festival.html, festivalwishes.html. So make a own copy of it, and you can change all the settings, and you can make your own custom tool. So this is how exactly works. So what you can do, you can create your own tool. So just try it, and it's just just kind of entertainment kind of thing, or experience kind of thing. Just try it and let me know if it everything works fine. Is that clear, guys? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Just try it and let me know. Uh, okay, guys, that's it. So, to anyone who knows how to open an image in or open a file in Termux or Linux, what's the command? Guys, so to open the image, my screen is visible, right? See, guys, to open the image, you can use the command termux open and the particular file name. So when you give enter, it will ask from which app you want to open that image. So while this thing I had covered my this is how you open the image. This is the thing which you captured or which is captured from that. Let me practically try that. Try once more and do festival wishing. I'll say Diwali. See, now this time it will not download in Nginx. It will download only one time, whatever system you're using. Guys, anyone voluntarily wants to open this link? Anyone? Anyone? Any volunteer? You can just try this. No one? Okay, no issues. Then try it yourself, and to open that image, you can use termux minus open.
Sir,
Okay, guys.
for
Any
line,
doubts?
it's only open, right?
It's only open, right?
Sorry.
In for
Yeah.
line.
For Linux.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
You're right.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Any doubts? Okay, then that's it for today. Take care. Stay safe. You can leave the session. Praveen, ma'am, please stay back.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Take care, guys. You can leave the session. That's it for today.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye. Hmm, Pushpa, ma'am, you can leave the session. So, Praveen, ma'am, yes, Shweta, ma'am.
I wanna,
I wanna.
am I
Yes.
audible, sir?
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, yeah.
Sir, I just wanna
So
ask
I
for
just
this
wanna ask for this
teaching that I have
teaching
sent
letter
at the
which I have
school.
sent at the school.
What?
I think my
I
voice
didn't
is
I
get you.
think my
clear.
voice is clear.
Yeah, what?
Sir, I'll text you on
So I'll
WhatsApp.
text you on WhatsApp.
Okay, fine. Sure, sure. So, Praveen, ma'am, I've given your name for this team leader thing. So I've already sent you this 45 days layout, right? What
Yes, sir.
Yes,
things
sir.
can be done every day. So just go through it and make sure you're like capable of delivering those things. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So I will also be I will also be there with you during this like collaboratively will do. So like make sure that you individually can deliver all those things. Is that fine?
Yes, sir. Fine,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I'll
Fine, sir.
prepare
I'll
the day
prepare
before
the day
and I
before
can
and I
deliver.
can deliver.
Okay, perfect, perfect. Yeah, that's thing that I just wanted to tell you this. Nothing else. Oh, is that fine?
Fine, sir.
So,
Fine, sir.
like, new batch will be started from I guess 18th of this month.
Okay.
Okay.
We have one more week, and by then everything like make sure that you have gone through the whole thing, and by like last thing and a practical session and all we'll do here, and by the time you'll be familiar with that also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
That's it. Take care.
Okay. Bye,
Okay.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.